Target date funds. Setting up target date funds. Target date funds are a managed fund that adjusts its portfolio balance as it reaches and then surpasses its target date. You often pick the date based on your planned retirement date. If you wish to be more aggressive, you will choose a fund with a further time horizon. Be sure to save, then click Manual Returns. Marginal rates map to, it will return X% this year. CAGR rates are typically how banks show their historic returns. Target date funds typically rebalance to a lower risk portfolio as the target date approaches. Hence, lower, but more secure returns. Be sure to save. RetirePlan.ca